Hello, it's Hacker777, and in today's video, I'm doing a video on a theme called iFluxy. This theme is for Windows 7 only, and as you can tell in the picture, it's a very good looking theme. It uses a lot of the arrow that's missing in Windows 8. The installation process of this theme isn't too hard. All we have to do is replace some system files, and that is about it. Now I'll have a link to the DeviantArt page of this theme and his, so you can check out more of his themes if you're interested. In the download link though, which will be on the right hand side of the page, I'll have a couple different things. I'll have the preview like I just showed you, the readme saying the copyright notice, etc. Basically saying you can't modify it or distribute it without his permission. The other file is how to install, and this is I'll be showing you guys today how to install. So what we'll do now is go to your system files here. What you want to do is find out if you have a 64-bit or 32-bit. Now I personally know you may not. If you don't, then just right click on computer and go open a new window and click system properties, and right next to system type it will tell you what system type you have. So 64-bit or 32-bit. Whatever one you have, just open it up and then go ahead and open up your disk here. Just move to the sides, and here go to Windows, and here go to Explore, and choose what you want, small or large taskbar. I personally like the small one. And now what you want to do is just go over here and right click this and click rename. You're probably going to have to be an administrator to do this, by the way. And all you want to do is rename it to something else, so we Explore Backup. Now copy over the new one. Now what you want to do is back out again and go back and go to Explore Frame, and now we'll have to find Explore Frame, which is in the System 32 folder. So just hit EX on your keyboard quickly and bring it to the EX section, which is Explore Frame right there. Just right click it and go to rename and put .backup, just so we have the original file still. And then immediately copy over our new one. Now if you have troubles with this, let's say you don't have the permissions to do it, let's say if you get an error or something like that, I'll have a link below to a program called Take Control. What you want to do is add both Explorer and Explorer Frame, the original ones, in the System 32 in the other folder. Add them both into the application and click Take Control, and it should give you permission to then go ahead and do what I just did and rename them and then change it. Alright, now that we have replaced the system file, for them to take effect we have to either restart or restart Explorer at least. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But what we'll do now is go back to Windows here, open up your themes folder, and now we have a bunch of different themes. Now there's 4 in total. There's different looks, so I suggest trying them all out. If you want to try them all out, the simple way is just copying all of them. Go to your Windows folder, and then click R on your keyboard and go to Resources, and then open your Themes folder and just paste it in. Now it's in there, we can go ahead and exit out. And now what we'll want to do is restart our whole computer or restart Explorer. I'm going to restart Explorer and I'll show you how to do that. If it's a little unsafe for you, the simple way is just restarting your computer. But what you can do is right click on the taskbar, start Task Manager, go to Processes, find Explorer EXE, click End Process, and then go to New Task and Browse, and find Explorer EXE. So you can just type it in if you prefer. And you will notice not much has changed, but we do have a new start orb right here. Alright, now that we have that set up, we can go ahead and right click on the desktop and go to personalize. Next, just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see installed themes, and we should have our themes. So just click on different ones and see which one you like the best. Alright, so it's successfully installed. Now you will notice that we do have a different look, and I'll show you that right now. So it doesn't come with a custom wallpaper, so you will have to apply your own or just keep the default one that you already have. Our start menu has been changed to this kind of look. So we have that gradient look at the top, and it's a pure white with the different buttons here for the system functions. You will also notice that our taskbar has changed to a different layout when it comes to highlighting our icons. It's a more of a squarish look with the indent right there. And here we have our explorers. We have the custom back and forward buttons as well as the highlighting buttons here, you can tell. And our maximize, minimize, and close buttons have also been changed. You can see that it is now, they're hidden, but they appear when you go over them. And they are a bit smaller than the average, but they still do work if you miss them a bit. So here I'm not really clicking on it, but it still works. So that's about it for this video, guys. Now if you don't like the theme, let's say you do it, or you like it for a bit, but you get bored of it, here's how to uninstall it. What you want to do is just right click on the desktop, go to personalize, and select a different theme that's available here. Alright, so now the theme is gone, but we do still have our custom back and forward buttons, which looks pretty dumb when you have standard thing here. So what you want to do now is go back to where we were. Just go back to Windows here and find Explorer. So what you want to do now is just right click it and go to rename and put backup theme, or name it something that you'll know. Now right click the Explorer backup that we made earlier and just delete the backup. And once that's done, you are done. Only thing you'll have to do now is just restart your computer or restart Explorer like we did earlier, and you'll be back to normal again. Anyways, guys, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, then leave a like. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them below as well. And besides that, guys, happy theming and have a great day. This is the Hacker 007, and I'm signing off.